Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 22nd June 2024. The centre is anticipating a significant surplus of approximately rupees 70,000 crore from GST compensation cess collections even after repaying loans taken during the COVID-19 period on behalf of states. This unexpected windfall is due to robust collections from sin goods like pan masala, cigarettes and automobiles. Officials suggest that this surplus could allow for early loan repayments and still leave a substantial amount for other uses. The tide may finally be turning in the youth-obsessed startup Inc. as their focus shifts from growth at all cost to build a sustainable and profitable business. Startups long associated with young founders and younger workforces are increasingly hiring older, more experienced hands for their top decks. Many startups, particularly those gearing up for public listing, now consider youth and experience a winning combination. The Income Tax Department has released the offline and online utilities for filing income tax return Form 7 for the assessment year 2024-25. This update allows taxpayers to conveniently file their returns either through the offline utility, which can be downloaded and filled out, or directly online through the Income Tax e-filing portal. From advisory to technology and human resources, KPMG, one of the Big Four firms, is ramping up its senior leadership teams across verticals as its Project Himalaya is set to become operational in the next few months. The Project Himalaya, announced last year, involves the merger of the delivery capabilities of consulting, risk, and advisory practices of its units in the US, the UK, and India. The move is expected to multiply KPMG consulting business in India. The government has eased rules for units in special economic zones involved in reconditioning, repair and re-engineering services, allowing them to sell waste metal in the domestic market after paying import duty. SEZ rules allow import of items for repair and refurbishments subject to the condition that all the units that enter the country get exported. The scrap and other metal waste that is generated in the process also has to be exported. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.